last year has been grim for the world at large. But despite being socially distanced, we're all in it together. We decided to make a game that will give you the chance to rewrite history and win 2020. How, you might ask? By making sure that everyone has a worse year than you did, of course. Hindsight 2020 is a new card game that lets you wield the most disastrous events from the past year against your friends in an entertaining attempt to find personal closure. Players will compete as rival nations, inflicting fake versions of awful real-life events on each other. Sabotage opponents with bonus cards, and protect your population by enacting policies that bolster your nation's healthcare, economy, and morale. While some cards are more potent than others, everyone has a chance to beat their neighbors with the right card at the right time. But if you run out of people, you lose. But this game is about closure, catharsis, remember? With hindsight indeed being 2020, you can use it to alter the course of history, one card at a time. Let's change the way we see and feel about the past year's events with a little bit of fun. Play 2020's Game of the Year. Get it?